Hello everyone, this news is absolutely exciting for Harry Potter fans. Warner Brothers studio tour, The Making of Harry Potter is coming to Japan, offering a magical journey into the world of wizardry. The official opening date has been announced on June 16th, with ticket sales starting on March 22nd at 2 p.m. Don't forget to mark this important date on your calendar. The official link, which will be provided in the video's info section, offers a sneak peek at the iconic scenes from the Harry Potter films and other detailed information and exhibits. Which scenes and characters from the Harry Potter series are you most excited to see? Share your thoughts in the comments. We know tickets will be in high demand, but we hope all Harry Potter fans will be able to secure tickets and book their travel for this unforgettable magical experience. Thank you for listening. If you want to know more about trendy information, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell to get notified when we upload new content. Thanks for your support. Bye for now.